Twos are 3.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
sir.
How are you all?
We are good, sir.
Yeah,
How are you, sir?
Good,
Great, sir.
How
Good.
about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. My dear students, before we start our class today, I have got some icebreakers to you where I'm going to ask you some questions. It's riddles actually. Okay, so it is in the form of a video. Please do watch it, and I'll be waiting for your answers. Here we go. Yeah. Your first question, what can be seen once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years? Come on, start
Letter
thinking.
M.
Letter M? Sure.
The letter M, sir.
Letter M, sir.
Okay. Let me check your answer. Yes, you're all right. The answer is letter M. Very good. Well done, job. Good job. Let's see the second question. The second question is, which tire doesn't move when a car turns right? What do you think?
The spare tire.
tire, sir.
Spare tire. Spare tire.
Okay, let me check whether your answers are right. Yes, you're all right. Your answer is correct. It's the spare tire. We have 3 more questions. Just a minute. Yes, here we go with the third question. I'm not alive, but I have 5 fingers. What am I?
A glove.
Gloves.
Gloves. Gloves.
Sure.
Yes, sir. It's a glove.
So let me check your answer. And I think you all are right. Yes, very good. Well done. Your answer is correct. We'll go with the fourth question, and the fourth question says, which word is written incorrectly in a dictionary?
Incorrectly.
Incorrect, sir.
Correctly.
Incorrectly.
Responses. Oh my God, so many responses. Let me check whether your answer is right. Well done. I think you're right. Yes, that is correct. Last question. Truck drove to a village and met 4 cars. How many vehicles were going to village? What do you think? What is the answer?
Only one vehicle, sir.
Only one,
Only
sir.
one truck.
Are you sure?
Only one truck.
Only truck,
Yes, sir. Only the truck.
I don't know the answer. Let me check. Answer is one truck. Well done. Good job. So your answers were correct. Well done. Okay, so my dear kids, today we are going to deal with grammar, and the topic which I'm going to teach you is a very interesting topic. Okay, and the name of the topic is kinds of sentences. Actually, in the previous class, I told you what are sentences, and in fact, I gave you so many examples. Do you remember? Ashrik, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So today in this class, I'm going to tell you what are the 4 kinds of sentences. Okay. So before that, let us just revise the previous class. Dinesh, please unmute yourself and tell me what are sentences.
Yes, sir. Sentences is a combination of words which give us a rightful meaning.
Very good. Pranav, would you like to define what are sentences?
Sir, a sentence is a group of words.
Yes. So what are sentences? My dear kids, sentences means it's a group of words which gives complete meaning. It will give complete meaning. Okay. And it should give even correct meaning also. For example, if I say went to he, does it give complete meaning? Does it give any sense? No, it doesn't give any sense. Okay, sentences are a group of words which makes complete sense, which will give complete meaning. Okay, so let us see. Yeah, I hope my screen is visible to all of you. So, what are sentences? Definition, you can note down. Sentences are groups. Sentences are group of words which gives complete meaning. Okay. Now today, my dear kids, we will also learn the 4 kinds of sentences. Okay. What we will learn? 4 kinds of sentences. Okay. Please note down in your notebook. The first one is declarative. Okay. What is the first kind of sentence, Dinesh? First kind of sentence is
Declarative sentence.
declarative sentence. Okay. I'm going to tell you the definition of all these 4 type of sentences. Don't worry. The second kind of sentence is imperative. Okay. What is the second kind of sentence? It is imperative sentence. Okay. Now let us see the third one. Third one is interrogative. Okay, what is the third type of sentence? Third type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Now, let me tell you the fourth one. Fourth one is, can anyone tell?
Exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory sentence.
Yes. Fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Okay, so let us see the first one. What is the first type of sentence? Declarative sentences. Okay, what are declarative sentences? Can anyone tell me what are declarative sentences? Okay, let me tell you. Declarative sentences means it declares or states a fact. Okay, or you can call generally statements. Okay, declarative sentences can either be positive or negative. Okay, and generally they end with full stop. What are declarative sentences? Declarative sentences are statements. Okay, in generally we can call them as statements. And you know one thing, it has another meaning also. You can call assertive sentence also. Assertive sentence and declarative sentence, both are same. Okay, for example, I'll meet you at the train station. I'll meet you at the train station. What type of sentence it is? It is a declarative sentence because it is just a statement, right? I'm not asking any question to anyone. I'm not, requesting anyone. I'm not giving any order. Okay, so this is simple sentence and this is declarative sentence. Okay, I hope I'm clear with this. Any doubts? No. Pranav, can you give me an example for declarative sentence?
I will meet you in the evening.
Okay, sure. Even I will meet you. Yeah, declarative. This is the example for declarative sentence. Siddharth, would you mind giving me an example for declarative sentence?
I am going to Delhi.
I'm going to Delhi. Yes, these two are the examples for a declarative sentence. I hope it is clear. Now let us see the second kind of sentence. What is the second type of sentence? It is imperative sentence. Ashrit, what is the second type of sentence? Imperative sentence.
Imperative sentence.
Imperative sentences means, in simple words, we can say either order or request. Okay, either order or request. For example, if I say open the door. Okay, if I say open the door. Example, let me give you. Open the door. Okay, so this is an example for imperative. Let me repeat again. Remember, order or request. Imperative sentences means either order, commands, or request. Okay, let me give you one more example. Pick up the mess. If I say pick up the mess, that is also an example for imperative sentences. Is it clear, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us see the third kind of sentence. What is the third kind of sentence? It is interrogative. Okay, interrogative sentences means questions. Okay, interrogative, ask a question. For example, let me give you an example. What is Your name. Okay, what is your name? So what is this? This is an example for interrogative sentence. Okay, and remember one thing, this interrogative sentences always ends with question mark. Okay, interrogative sentences always ends with question mark. Okay, can I get some examples from you, Abhiram? Rohit, anyone? Can you give me some more
Where are you
examples
going?
for interrogative sentence? Yes, my dear.
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Yes, this is. Yes. Yes. Viragava, can I get one example from you?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Example for interrogative sentence.
Where is the railway station?
Where is the railway station? Very good. Okay. So these all are the examples for interrogative sentences. Okay. I hope I'm clear with this. Now, my dear kids, let us learn the fourth one. Sriraga, what is the fourth type of sentence? Fourth type of sentence?
Exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory sentences. What do you mean by exclamatory sentences? Okay, these exclamatory sentences, they emphasize a statement. What do these exclamatory sentences do? They emphasizes a statement, okay, with an exclamation point. Let me repeat again. The exclamatory sentences, okay, this exclamatory form, they emphasizes with an exclamatory point. Okay, they emphasize a statement with exclamation point. And okay, there sometimes there will be some sudden shock, some sudden feelings will be there in this type of sentences. Let me give you an example for this exclamatory. For example, hurry up. Okay, and you will also find exclamation mark here. Hurry up. So this is the example for exclamatory sentence. Okay, and let me give you one more example. For example, that sounds fantastic. That sounds fantastic. This is also an example for exclamatory sentence. Okay, I hope I'm clear with all these things. Now, my dear kids, let us learn all these things once again by watching a short video from Tata Classes. Okay, and here I'm also going to show you some rules. Okay. Yes. So here we go.
Aisha is reading aloud from the book Alice in Wonderland. She meets many interesting creatures such as a rabbit, a mouse, a cat, and some cards who are gardeners. She also meets the hatter, the March hare, and a dormouse. All these creatures talk to Alice and tell her amazing things. Let's look at some parts of the story.
Okay, here, the speaker has said so many sentences. Okay, here what the speaker has done, she has spoken so many sentences. Okay, now let us go with kinds of sentences.
Check it out. A science exhibition. Scientists like to classify things in order to understand them better. Here's a question for you. How do we classify sentences? Sentences can be classified into 4 main types according to their meanings: declarative, exclamatory, imperative, and interrogative.
See, just now I have told you, sentences can be classified into 4 types: imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, declarative sentence, and what is one more? Interrogative sentences. Okay. Now here one sentence is written, this is the biggest science exhibition in India, said Sarah. Let us see what type of sentence it is.
This sentence is declarative.
Okay, so this is declarative, no doubt.
This is an exclamatory sentence.
Yeah.
This sentence is imperative.
Yeah, you can see there are so many sentences on the screen. I can't wait to look around, said Kim. This is example for exclamatory. Follow me, said the teacher. This is example for imperative sentence. Okay. Sriragava, can you tell me why do you think the third sentence is imperative sentence? Follow me, said the teacher.
Sir,
Why do you
because
think?
it's an order.
Yes, this is an order. You're right.
This sentence is interrogative.
Yeah.
Let's
Dinesh, why do you think the fourth sentence is interrogative sentence?
Because there is a question being asked, sir.
Yeah, because it's a question actually. What did you bring for lunch? Sarah asked him. Okay, so this is an example for interrogative.
find out more about the kinds of sentences. Let's look at some rules for identifying the different kinds of sentences.
Yeah. So how can we identify the types of sentences? There are some rules. Okay, there are 4 rules which are very important, which we must learn. The first rule says a declarative sentence makes a statement. See, initially I told you when I started the class, when I told you about declarative sentence, what did I tell you? A declarative sentence makes a statement. Okay, it makes a statement. For example, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. It is an example for declarative sentence. So this is the first rule. Okay. The second rule is an interrogative sentence asks a question. See, just now we read a question. How old are you? Where are you going? What is your name? Okay, what type of sentences they are? They are interrogative sentences because they ask a question. What do they do? Because they ask question. That's the reason they are interrogative sentence. And I have also told you interrogative sentences ends with Abhishek. Interrogative sentences ends with full stop or question mark?
Question mark.
Very good. Interrogative sentences ends with question mark. Now, the third rule says an imperative sentence states a request, an order, a suggestion, a plea, or advice. Okay. The imperative sentence, what do? They states a request. They state a request or order, sometimes suggestion or plea or advice. Request or advice. For example, please get me a glass of water. What type of sentence it is? It is
Imperative sentence.
very good. It is an imperative sentence. And let's see the fourth one. An exclamatory sentence states a strong emotion. Alas, he died. Okay, hooray, we have won the match. Okay, there would be some strong emotion. Okay, there will be some strong emotion. So these 4 rules are very important. Okay, so Pranav, tell me what is the first rule? What does the first rule says?
The
Pranav.
declarative sentence makes a statement.
Yes, a declarative sentence makes a statement. Dinesh, what is the second rule? The second rule says?
An interrogative sentence asks a question.
Very good. Sriragava, what is the third rule? What is the third rule?
Sir, an imperative sentence states a request, an order, a suggestion, a plea, or an advice.
Excellent. Okay, who will read the fourth rule? Who will say the fourth rule? Abhishek?
An exclamatory sentence states a strong emotion.
Very good, Siddharth. An exclamatory sentence states a strong emotion. Now I think you all understood what are sentences and what are 4 kinds of sentences. Okay, let's have some activity now. Now I'm going to show you a video, okay, where there are some questions. What you need to do is read all the questions carefully and give me your answers. Okay, so here we go.
Now that you have learned about the different types of sentences, you can answer a few questions. Determine whether the following sentence is declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Select the correct option and click Submit.
Yes. So my first question goes to my dearest kid Siddharth. Siddharth, there is a sentence for you. Asha sells fish at the local fish market. What do you think? What kind of sentence is it? Is it
It's a declarative sentence.
yes? Come again.
It's a declarative sentence.
Is it declarative? Can you give me the reason?
Because it's just a simple sentence. There is no question or any command.
Excellent, my dear. Let me check whether your answer is right. I'm going to freeze it.
That's correct. This declarative sentence makes a positive statement.
And you're right. It's a declarative sentence. My next question.
Determine whether the following sentence is declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Select the correct option and click Submit.
Yeah, my next question goes to Pranav Arijan. Go to your room immediately. Please don't go. This is a sentence. Go to your room immediately and give me the answer. Which one shall I freeze? Declarative?
Sir, it is an imperative sentence.
Is it imperative? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Shall I freeze it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us check whether our Pranav Arijan is right.
That's correct. This imperative sentence states an order.
And he's always correct. Yes, very good. My next question goes to
Determine
Sri
whether
Raghava.
the following sentence is declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Select the correct option and click Submit.
Yes, Sri Raghava, this question is for you. What a delightful plan. What do you think? What is the
It's
answer?
an exclamatory sentence.
Is it an exclamatory sentence?
Yes, sir. Why? Because it has ended with an exclamatory mark.
Yes. Let us check your answer.
That's correct. This exclamatory sentence expresses joy and ends with an exclamation mark.
Yes, what a delightful plan. Okay, the sentence has ended with exclamation mark. And you're right. Well done. We'll have few more questions. My next
Determine
question
whether the following sentence is declarative,
goes to
interrogative,
Maheshwaram.
imperative,
Please
or
repeat.
exclamatory. Select the correct option and click Submit.
Yeah, here we go. Ventesh, your question is, did you like this story? What do you think? What kind of sentence is it? Venteshwar, unmute yourself. Yes, Sri Raghava, what do you think? What is the answer? Did you like this story?
Sir, it's an interrogative sentence, sir.
Is it
Why? Because it is a question.
It's a question. So shall I freeze B?
Yes, sir. Freeze.
What others say? Dinesh, do you think Sri Raghava is right? Do you support your friend? Pranav, do you support? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let us see whether you people are right. Interrogative, I'm going to freeze it.
That's correct. This interrogative sentence asks a question and ends with a question mark.
My students are always right. Well done, champs. Good job. Okay, your all answers are right. Okay, so that's a good one. Now, my dear kids, I think this quiz is enough. I feel. Now, here there are some worksheets. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to download these worksheets and I'm going to send you to your number through WhatsApp. So what you people should do today? Today, you people should take the printout of all these worksheets. I would send you three worksheets. You people should download it. And it is very simple. The thing what you have to do is after downloading, you have to write your name, class, division, roll number, date. Okay. And then what you should do is study each sentences carefully. So how to solve this worksheet, let me tell you what you should do. Study each sentence carefully, identify what type of sentence it is. Okay, study each sentences carefully and identify what type of sentence it is, and then copy the appropriate sentence from the table and write it in the speech bubble next to each animal. Okay, an example has been done for us. So I'm going to read out a sentence and I'm also going to tell you the answer. Look at the first one. I guard the farm all night. I guard the farm all night. I need some rest now. What kind of sentence it is, Sri Raghava? It is
Declarative sentence, sir.
obviously, there is no doubt. It is declarative sentence. So one more question is there, Raghava, for you. Okay, look at the
Yes,
second
sir.
one. Read it aloud and tell me the answer. I shall write it here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Will I get some fresh milk to drink in the kitchen?
What do you think? What type of sentence it is?
Sir, it is an interrogative question.
Is it interrogative? Yes, it
Yeah,
is
sir.
an interrogative sentence. Pranav, would you mind reading the third sentence?
Come here, piglets. Do not go out of the farm. Sir, it is an imperative sentence.
Is it an imperative?
Yes, sir, it is an order.
Yes, it is an imperative sentence. Okay, so in this way what you can do is, my dear kids, you people can download this worksheet, okay, and then write your all answers and you can get it back to the class. Okay, I shall correct all these things. Okay, and in the tomorrow's session what we will do is we will check all these worksheets. Okay, I hope I'm clear with the session today. Do you have any doubts?
No doubt, sir. All is clear.
No doubt, sir. No
Okay.
doubt.
I hope everything is clear. And my dear kids, that's all for the day. And the remaining things we shall see in the next class. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Have a great day. And please take care of yourself and please take care of your family members. Wear mask when you go out. Do not roam outside without mask. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.